The blinking blue light on your Rogers router indicates that Wi-Fi protected setup pairing mode is active. This mode lets devices connect without a password, but can cause connectivity issues or security risks if unresolved. To cancel the WPS pairing, locate the WPS button on your router. It's usually marked with a Wi-Fi icon. Press and hold this button for 5 to 10 seconds until the blinking blue light stops. Wait for the light to stabilize and turn solid blue, indicating normal operation. This cancels the WPS pairing attempt. After canceling WPS, reconnect your devices to your Wi-Fi network securely. On each device, go to the Wi-Fi settings and forget your current network connection. Then reconnect by selecting your network's name, also known as the SSID, and entering your Wi-Fi password. For enhanced security, it's recommended to avoid WPS in the future due to its known vulnerabilities. Instead, use secure manual connections with WPA3 or WPA2 encryption for your Wi-Fi network. If you continue to experience connectivity issues, try rebooting your router or updating its firmware. You can do this through the Rogers app or your My Rogers account. Rogers is phasing out WPS in favor of more secure methods like app-based setups or NFC pairing. If problems persist, contact Rogers support directly at 188-ROGERS1.